Hi! In today's video, I'm going to introduce our best-selling water softener, Ecoperla Toro, currently available in two sizes. The device is manufactured in Europe, it has compact size and is extremely efficient. I am sure that after watching this review, you will become interested in our water softeners. Please join me. Ecoperla Toro is a water softener that attracts our attention with its modern design and streamlined housing. The device is available in two variants, 20 and 35 liter. The housings are made of robust plastic that is resistant to mechanical damage. It is worth noting that Ecoperla Toro 35 is one of the few cabinet softeners available on the market that feature filtering medium of this size. However, it still takes up little space and is only slightly higher compared to our smaller version. Thanks to two available sizes, you can easily choose the right device according to the desired performance and water consumption. For large households or in the case of very hard water, we recommend Ecoperla Toro 35, and for standard applications, our Ecoperla Toro 20 should be more than enough. The tanks are filled with high-quality monosphere levatite ion exchange resin. The use of monosphere resin compared to the polysphere option ensures much better water softening properties. All particles of the medium are the same size, so the flowing water is filtered in exactly the same way over the entire bed surface. In the top section of the housing there is an illuminated control panel and the cover of the tablet salt compartment. Our device has separate compartments for the medium and regeneration salt. This feature quite unusual for a cabinet water softener. This approach definitely helps to meet the gradually introduced European requirements. Most importantly, this makes it easier to install and service the device. Both Ecoperla Toro models are equipped with the FobRide control valve, a controller based on American flag. This solution enables automatic regeneration of the medium after filtering a certain amount of water. The valve needs to be programmed only once, during the first startup. Later on, the only thing that needs to be remembered is to replenish tablet salt. Another advantage is a mixer inside the valve, which enables adjustment of the initial water hardness. Our devices are equipped with the innovative Ecoperla Perfect system designed specifically for cabinet water softeners by Ecoperla engineers. It is a system of optimal valve settings that control, among other things, the times of specific stages of regeneration as well as the amount of water and salt needed for the process. Thanks to this, the service life of the device is significantly extended, a failure rate is reduced to a minimum, and the equipment is extremely economical. Combining this system with counterflow ensures complete regeneration of the medium with relatively low consumption of brine solution. The box includes an instruction manual in English as well as a detailed installation diagram. In addition, our water softener features a bypass as standard, which helps with installation and possible service. Thanks to these smart solutions, the installation process is straightforward and every plumber should handle it. Ecoperla Toro is the perfect water softener for both the small and large households. Its design and functionality have been carefully thought out. When it comes to Ecoperla Toro, every detail matters, from simple installation through the top-of-the-line filtration efficiency to its economical operation. Moreover, thanks to two sizes of the device, everyone can choose the right capacity for their specific needs. I am sure you'll be impressed with Ecoperla Toro too. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to our channel. If you want to improve the quality of your water or have any additional questions, write at this email address. See you!